So my name is Dimitri Pulev. I'm from Swindon, England, and I came here specifically for the NWFA Intermediate Install course. We've been aware of the NWFA courses for a number of years. It is the only organisation I'm aware of that is specifically dedicated to wood flooring. We do not have one such organisation in the United Kingdom. Hence my interest in learning and becoming certified. But I've been thinking about taking the courses to obtain certification for a while, and finally decided to do it this year. My expectations were quite high for this week, but they've been utterly surpassed. In these last 3 days I've learned as much as I've probably learned in the last 10 years. Even just the easy groove system and the way that the grooving and tonguing in the United States is standardized, it's just very impressive. My intention is to import that and build it into our operations. I mean, I've been doing this since '96, so I have a tremendous wealth of experience, but in my own ways. I've always wanted to go through a formal educational process just to see what I can improve of, learn new things, see what mistakes I've been making, and so in general, I have great admiration for the way business is conducted generally in the United States. So I've always expected to learn things and improve on how we do things the other side of the pond. We're in the process of building a new website currently, so once that's completed we will place all my certification badges on the new website, and I have absolutely no doubt that this will give us the clout and authenticity that, that will take us to another level in terms of the kind of jobs and type of customers we are able to reach. The choice selection in this shop is hard to believe, you know, it would be hard to describe. You would need to see it to believe it. So, needless to say, I've never seen that much wood in one location before. You know, being present here has been a experience that I will cherish for the rest of my life.